What's the meaning of annals? Annals. 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 Annals.
Annals refer to historical records or accounts of events, usually arranged chronologically. The term is often used in the context of academic or scholarly research, where the annals of a particular field may be studied to gain a deeper understanding of its development over time. In essence, annals provide a detailed and systematic account of historical events that can inform our understanding of the past and help us make informed decisions about the future. They are an important resource for historians, researchers, and anyone interested in learning about the evolution of human society and culture.